Check it out, guys. First time.
I won the golden ticket to the Willy Wonka's chocolate factory.
Yummy. So you want to be a plumber. You thought everything was cherry, huh? You were like, oh, this job is cake.
That's what I was saying. I was like, this was pretty chill. Like, you're asking me like, oh, you think you could do this? Yeah. Like,
Hell yeah, that was.
What are you talking about?
That was yesterday, right?
Yeah, man, bro. I don't know if I'm coming in tomorrow.
Well, good, because tomorrow's Saturday. I don't care about tomorrow. I want you here Monday.
Monday morning, first thing.
What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another nasty sewer video.
Just a day in the life of my plumber. Your plumber.
The shit we do to put bread on our table. The crumbs off the table. It's a rainy day. Beautiful day to be snaking lines outside. It probably smells like that because all this water that's been dumped in here, it's been going under the house. That's why it fucking smells under there.
Okay.
It smells like grease trap in there. What does it smell like?
Starting to stink.
What do you smell?
I smell Edgar.
I smell money. Jesse, what do you smell?
I smell money, baby.
I smell it. This fool. Rainy day adventures. Rainy day adventures. All right, send it a little faster. Wait, you're there. Did it work?
Patience is a virtue.
Oh, did it work that area right there? That's the big glob of grease. Now push it in. Keep going.
I'll just keep going.
Yeah, just keep going. Do you feel a turn or something, or the stoppage, or what?
No, I feel like the stoppage.
Okay. Once you're at the stoppage, you're gonna see that water like stop and come back. Right there. Put a little pressure right there, just a little. Hold it and hold it. Yep. If you can do it through a clean out, it's the best. Especially if there's water coming out of there, then you know that's where it's at.
And it's not naturally supposed to come this way, and the plug stops it.
This line connects somewhere inside to where the nearest toilet is.
Oh, okay.
So it shouldn't be coming this way, it should be going the other way.
I'm not gonna go out of a toilet or anything, am I?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I didn't plumb the place.
Is it possible?
It depends who plumbed the place, but I highly doubt it. It's probably the same line for both units. I think there's 2 units back to back right here.
Now, what if we do this whole drum and it still doesn't clear it?
It should. There's no way. 75 feet. It should only be like 30 feet. I'm gonna walk around, see if there's another thing somewhere else.
Okay.
This whole thing's back up, but
So the house should only be about 30 feet?
well, there's 3 units, 1, 2, and 3, but they should all have their own line to the nearest toilet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or else she would have said all of them are backed up, all the kitchen sinks. What?
Come on, baby.
Slowing down. What'd you do?
All the right shit, baby.
I think you're at the spot. Did you feel something?
Yeah, and then it slowed down, so I'm letting it work.
You're letting it eat.
Yeah.
You're letting it grub.
Then I'm gonna do it backwards.
Oh, damn, I taught you well. Right on, brother.
America.
I'm gonna turn the water on full blast, all right? It's coming back. Yeah, you're probably at the spot. Just work it. Try to push in more. Pull back maybe a foot. How much did you go in after it was supposedly clear?
Like a foot.
Pull that there.
It's like pushing it back, so push it in more.
Well, it just stopped right now. You're right at the spot.
So I'm gonna have to just keep
Just
working
let it eat. Yeah. Go in like half a foot. Slowly. And then let it eat. What up, what up, what up? We're right here getting it, getting it, getting it. Right here with Big J Dog.